part of the chapter. Again, theoretical, you have to only remember few terms. And in MCQ, theoretical MCQs can be asked on this topic. So first heading for today in chapter called electromagnetic wave, draw block diagram of communication system. Draw block diagram of communication system. Basically, I said it consists of three parts. One is one block transmitter, another is for channel, receiver, then one block here which is source. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 5 blocks will draw. These are 5 blocks sending the signal from one place to another. Just draw these 5 blocks, then we'll fill these blocks. Transmitter, channel, receiver, information source, user of information. Information source, transmitter, channel, receiver, then user of information. User of information. Here in the channel from surrounding, noise can enter. This is message signal going to transmitter from information source, from transmitted signal will come out through the channel. That means it can be air or it can be wire through which it is traveling. Receiver gets signal, so received signal is going to receiver. Again, message signal is going to user of information. Just complete. Once you complete, please tell me.
So what is written in the first block?
Information source. First block information source, second transmitter, third channel, fourth receiver, last is user of information. इंफॉर्मेशन
Thank you,
सोर्स,
sir.
सपोज ब्रॉडकास्टिंग स्टेशन पे कोई गाना गा रहा है, फिर उसका आवाज को हम लोग कन्वर्ट करते हैं, तो इंफॉर्मेशन सोर्स हो गया. Yes, completed, Paul?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, if they ask explain communication system, then we can see there are three basic elements in communication system. One, as I said, transmitter, second channel, third receiver. So there are three basic elements in communication system. There are three basic elements in communication system: transmitter, second channel. Channel means it can be wire, it can be antenna. Third, receiver. Write these three things. There are three basic elements in communication system: transmitter, channel, receiver.
So
Yeah.
if it's a long distance signal, then there will be multiple transmitter or receiver, or there will be one signal, one single channel with multiple transmitter and receiver.
It depends upon which mode of transmission you are using. No? If we are using ground wave propagation, then multiple required. If we are using sky wave, then only single is required. So it depends upon what type of channel you are using for transmission. Suppose I take point to point wire wala connection. Wire I cannot take to 1000 kilometer, 2000 kilometer. Then multiples are required. Got it? Concept?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, three basic elements we got: transmitter, channel, and receiver. Now, where should be the transmitter? Close to the information or close to the user?
Close to information.
Close to the information. So, transmitter is located at one place close to the information, and receiver to another end close to the user, and in
Yes, sir.
between there is connection that is called channel. So, the transmitter is near source of information, and receiver is close to user of information. Close to user of information. The channel is a passage through which signal transfers between transmitter and receiver. Okay, write this one. Transmitter is close to the information and receiver is close to the user of information. Channel is the passage through which signal can transfer between transmitter and receiver. 9:25 पे लगे। Yes, I think done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next line. The channel is in the form of wires or cables or it may be wireless means it is through antennas. This antenna through satellite it communicates. Wire to wire, like we have got optical fiber connected for our Wi-Fi connection. So channel is in the form of wire or cable, or it may be wireless. There are two basic modes of communication. First is called point to point. Point to point means from one wire to another wire. मतलब वो दूसरा कोई नहीं ले सकता है. Only one who has taken that connection he can take. But if it is suppose satellite through, it is free in air. If I have proper dish, it can catch that signal. And point to point, it is wire to wire connection, like it was in MTNL connection. Second is called broadcast. मतलब broader base, broadcast. ये ऐसा spread हो रहा है air के अंदर. If I have got proper interceptor, it will catch the signal. Intercept मतलब अपना वो Tata Sky, dish antennas and so on. Yeah, right on. Yes, done.
Done.
Okay. Define explain the following terms. Explain the following terms. First, signal. See what we get on our television screen, that output, our television screen is nothing but user of information. And the signals which are coming in air, they are containing all this audio video signals. So first have to convert through that transmitter all the emitted information in proper signal. That means in electrical form, so that it can be carried from one place to another. Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, I cannot go to the broadcasting station and take the photos of the character and come in my TV and superimpose them. There only it should be converted and sent through transmitter through the channel and then to the user. User will have that technique to reconvert it. So what are signals? Can I say they are nothing but electrical form of information?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So the information, these are all basic terms by common sense also you can write. The information converted into electrical form. The informations converted into electrical form that is suitable for transmission. The information converted into electrical form that is suitable for transmission, suitable for transmission is called as signal. The electrical information converted into electrical form that is suitable for transmission is called as signal. There are basically two types of signal, which is called analog or digital. There are two types of signal. First is analog signal. If you can convert this into alternating system, that means in AC ऐसा कन्वर्ट कर दिया तो इसको एनालॉग बोलते हैं, और ऐसे ऐसे कन्वर्ट किया सेम फॉर्म में, इसको डिजिटल बोलते हैं. So just write this, then I'm explaining what is analog, what is digital. Written?
Yes, sir.
First we'll check what is meaning of analog signal and then what is meaning of digital signal. Have you heard about sine wave? Sine wave or sinusoidal. Have you heard this? Suppose one displacement is given by formula A sine omega. Now when this omega t is 0, what will be value? A sine 0, which is A into 0 equal to 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
That means when that omega t I put 0, I got excess 0. When I put this omega t angle 90, now what will be x? A?
A.
A. When I put 180, then
0.
0.
correct. If I put 270, then
-1.
minus
Negative
minus.
Minus A.
When you put 360, then
0.
0.
so you find that as you are changing the angle, 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Then values are changing from 0 to A to 0 to minus A, 0 back. This all if I join, this is called varying signal, AC voltage को, है ना? Alternating
Yes, sir.
AC. So analog signals are continuously time varying signal. The sine wave is called as fundamental analog signal. Mostly sound, picture, they are always analog in nature. That means they are sent by alternating format in signal through device. Actually उसका नाम है transistor जिससे send करते हैं. So first, what is signal? It is nothing but electrical form that is suitable for transmission called as signal. There are two types of signal, analog and digital. Analog signal we are writing now. What is analog signal? A continuously varying signal, a continuously varying signal. It can be either voltage or it can be current. Is called as analog signal. Continuously varying signal is called as analog signal. Sine wave is a fundamental analog signal. Means basic signal is sine wave. Analog signal. I explained you how that sine will get converted into wave. Fundamental analog signal. Sound and picture in TV. Sound and picture signals in TV are analog in nature. And then draw this diagram of analog signal. Suppose this is voltage versus time. Plus 5 volt, minus 5 volt. Draw this analog signal. Written, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Digital signal. So digital signals are generally used in device called logic gates, which you are going to study in electronics and telecommunication if you take. So Again, signal which is current and voltage का signal, voltage or it can be current. A signal that is voltage or current that can have वो एक बार चेक करना पड़ेगा ना पहले आंसर। वो जरा सीताराम को संतोष फोन करके कम्युनिकेट करो, मैं वो चेक करके फिर आपको भेजता हूँ, फिर आगे का भेजता हूँ। So a signal which is voltage or current that has only two discrete value. So देखो ऐसा कोई चीज रहेगा ना 0 to 5, 5 to 10, मतलब है कंटिन्यूस है 0 to 5, 5 to 10. But if I write 10 to 15, second I start from 16 to 20, तो बीच में गैप है, इसको बोलते हैं डिस्क्रीट। मतलब 10 to 15 फिर गैप 16 to 20, इसको डिस्क्रीट बोलते हैं। अगर ऐसा साथ में रहेगा तो कंटिन्यूस। So a signal, either voltage or current that has only two discrete values. Only two discrete values is called digital signal. They have only two values, high and low voltage. In our electronic language, 0 and 1 it is called. Example, or we can say for example, a square wave is a digital signal because it will have only two values. Suppose I send square wave in the medium, either nothing or maximum, either nothing or maximum. When I join it, it will look like square wave. This is called as digital signal. Minimum is 0, maximum is 5. Copy this. Square wave is a digital signal. It has two values here, plus 5 and 0. It has two values here as plus 5 and 0 volt. Yeah, can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we did what is communication system in block diagram. Then what are signal? There are two types of signal. Now one by one, other terms. Signal is sent through transmitter. So now we'll see what is transmitter. Transmitter. अभी ना मैं ट्रांसमीटर मतलब ट्रांसफर एमीटर, एमिट करके ट्रांसफर करने वाला डिवाइस. What it will transfer? Signal which is converted by the source of information. So a transmitter converts the signal produced by a source of information into a form suitable for transmission through channel and subsequent reception. So transmitter converts signal produced by source of information into a form suitable for transmission through channel and subsequent reception, means which is going to catch those signals. Right, second one.
Done, sir.
Is okay? Done this also?
Yes, sir.
So we did what is signal, type of signal, transmitter. Third, very, very important, mostly they ask this in exam because it is new term, transducer. Transducer word is written. So trans means to transmit or transfer, ducer is producer. So it should be device which will produce something and that can be transferred further. A device that converts, one form of energy into another form of energy. One form of energy into another form of energy is called as a ट्रांसड्यूसर. मतलब एक फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी को दूसरा फॉर्म में प्रोड्यूस कर देता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, a microphone converts sound energy into electrical energy. Sound energy into electrical energy. Thus, we can say a microphone is a transducer which converted sound energy into electrical energy. And loudspeaker will convert electrical energy sound energy, so that is also a transducer, right? Transducer. Yes, written transducer full.
Yes, sir.
Now receiver, fourth one. Signal, transmitter, transducer, and now receiver. The transmitter is transmitting, receiver will receive. So simple. So I can say the receiver receives the signal. Receiver receives the signal at channel output, and then it has to convert that signals for user to be used properly. From channel at the channel output, reconstructs it in recognizable form. मतलब पहला तो digital signal था, now it has to be converted into proper to so that it can be recognized. Reconstructs it in recognizable form, recognizable form of the original signal. मतलब अगर फोटो था तो फोटो में कन्वर्ट हो जाना चाहिए दैट सिग्नल. Recognizable form of original message for delivering it to the user of information. It reconstructs the message so that it can be recognizable and deliver it to the user of information. Two.
So what is the word after form of the
Form of the original message. Oh,
okay,
original.
sir, thank you.
Done, sir.
Fifth. Noise. Noise is wanted or unwanted?
Unwanted.
So sometimes when transmitter is converting the signal, surrounding disturbance gets added to it. That is actually called noise. Now this surrounding atmosphere creating noise may not be every time. All of a sudden, if there is thundering, then it will catch that sound. So it is random process. So I can say a random unwanted signal. A random unwanted signal is called noise. The source generating noise may be located outside or inside the system. That means if our devices, they are also creating sound, तो ये inside system हो गया. बाहर से due to natural calamity something comes, that is called outside. So it can be inside, it can be outside. The noise level should be minimized. Minimized in communication system. Noise level should be minimized in communication system. Right now, unwanted signal, random unwanted signal is called noise. It can be inside, it can be outside, but it should be minimized. एक बार फिर देखते थे 880 कितना हो गया 880 हुआ 876 है तो 819 होता है It's also written.
Yes, sir.
Now see, any source or any energy, after some time it will be consumed. That means there will be losses. So whenever you are sending the signal, chances are there in between it may be lost in the surrounding. This process of losing the strength is called as attenuation. 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 The loss of strength of the signal, the loss of strength of a signal while propagating through the channel, the loss of strength of signal while propagating through the channel is known as attenuation. Write this much. The loss or of strength of signal while propagating through the channel is known as attenuation. because the strength is lost. So we have to give that strength again and again. That giving the strength is called amplification. Can I clear this 6? This one I can clear, 6 one? Okay. As I said,
Yes.
because it is losing energy. Suppose you start your day work by having your breakfast. In between, you require lunch, high tea, then again dinner. That means your lost energy must be again resumed. That process in electrical signals is called as amplification. Amplification. The process of raising the strength of signal. The process of raising the strength of signal using an electronic circuit is called using electronic circuit called as amplifier. Circuit is called amplifier, and the process of raising strength of signal using an electronic circuit called as amplifier is amplification. Right, seventh definition. Okay, again. अच्छा, अपन ने 890 में रखा था, 870 में रखा देने के। Yes, written, I think. Completed, 7th one.
Yes, sir.
See, all our
Yes, sir.
definitions you have to only understand and memorize. This is actually literature we are doing. 8, range. We have heard missile is of the range of 3000 kilometers. That means it goes vertical or it goes horizontal.
Horizontal.
Horizontal. So can I say maximum distance up to which our signal can travel is called range?
Yes, sir.
The maximum distance between source, and a destination up to which the signal can be received with sufficient strength is called as range. The maximum distance between source and destination up to which signal can be received with sufficient strength is called as range. Range also written, I think, correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, write bandwidth. Bandwidth. Have you heard about Radio Mirchi? Radio Mirchi? Radio
Yes,
City,
sir.
Radio
Yes,
Mirchi.
sir.
The 98.3 Radio Mirchi, 103 Radio City. There is gap in between these two by some frequency.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes,
every
sir.
channel, every channel sends its signal between some frequency range. Suppose government has given me to use 500 frequency, 500 hertz. So they say 1500 to 2000 के बीच में आपका bandwidth है. You can send any number of signal which you can. But if somebody is sending close to 2000, तो उसका और मेरा सिग्नल कभी कभी ओवरलैप होएगा. तो उसके बाद 2000 से 250 गवर्नमेंट गैप दे देता है. Nobody will send signal between this, नहीं तो ओवरलैपिंग होएगा. So bandwidth is nothing but range of frequency. The band means what? When you say band, that means it is collection of something. Band. Width
Yes, sir.
matlab इसका thickness. So here if we convert into electronic part, then we can say it is range of frequency. So the bandwidth is range of frequency. Bandwidth is the range of frequency over which electronic circuit operates efficiently. The bandwidth is range of frequency over which electronic circuit operates efficiently. अब कितना दूर अभी अपन 500 में लेने के लिए नहीं लेने के लिए हाँ या ninth one clear.
Yes, sir.
अभी तीन ही
Yes,
बचा है
sir.
डेफिनेशन टेंशन मत को ज्यादा 10th one modulation. See, when you come to the class, either to collect notes or for some meeting, you come walking or you come in auto or in any mode of vehicle. So if we are getting late, then suppose I catch auto, that means I have myself added in the auto. Auto is now taking me with the speed of 30 or 40. I would have only gone with the speed of suppose 5 kilometers per hour, but auto has modulated my speed, increased my speed up to 30-40. ये ऑटो के साथ क्लासरूम में आ जाओ क्या अक्षय कुमार के जैसा? क्या ऑटो को नीचे रुका के उसको कैश दे के रिटर्न करके फिर चल के आओ? What should I do? Should I come with this auto rickshaw directly in the classroom?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. That means this is suppose signal. इसको आप दूसरे सिग्नल के साथ ज्वाइन कर दिया ऐसा. अभी इसका ताकत से जाएगा ना अपना सिग्नल, बट लास्ट में इसको छोड़ के फिर से अकेला सेपरेट होना चाहिए ना.
Yes, sir.
So modulation
Yes,
is process of combining weak signal with the high frequency signal. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. The modulation is the process of superimposing weak signals on high frequency signals. To transmit the weak signals over long distance. To transmit weak signal over long distance.
Done, sir.
Then demodulation. Demodulation. This is nothing but process of extracting the weak signal from the other signal. So the process of extracting original signal from a modulated wave is called as demodulation. So we have to remove that signal from that superimposed signal. It's called as demodulation. Right, demodulation. Then write repeaters. Repeater is nothing but again same transmitter receiver receiver to be combined. So it is a combination of a transmitter. It is combination of a transmitter and a receiver. It is combination of transmitter and receiver. It is used to increase the range of transmission.
Done, sir.
Now last part of the chapter, what are different types of modulation possible? That will complete this chapter. They can ask separately what is modulation, what are different types of modulation. So what is modulation? We had already done. The process of combining original signal with new signal is called as modulation. The signal which will carry this wave is called as actually carrier wave. So to write now properly, I am writing like this. The low frequency original signal, मतलब ये actual है, is superimposed with high frequency signal called as carrier wave is called as modulation. There are three types of modulation. First, amplitude modulation. That means amplitude is increased, frequency is kept same. Amplitude modulation, denoted as AM. Second is frequency modulation. The FM channels on the transistor which we hear, they are frequency modulated. See, सब वेव का एनर्जी होता है h न्यू, न्यू को बोलते हैं फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो फ्रीक्वेंसी जितना ज्यादा उतना एनर्जेटिक साउंड आएगा. एनर्जेटिक मतलब क्लियर साउंड आएगा. थर्ड इज कॉल्ड phase modulation. Phase means it changes the position from one place to another. That means suppose signal is not reaching at my home properly, मैंने अपना डिश का डायरेक्शन चेंज कर दिया, उसको बोलते हैं phase modulation. Write this.
Done, sir.
So this completes our chapter completely, that is electromagnetic wave. Now we'll start with